Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So I got a comment in one of my videos asking me to do a video on the First Premier Bank credit card. So I'm going to make sure I make that video for you, whatever my opinion is on that video. But if you guys want me to make you a video, make sure you drop your comments down below and I'll make sure I make you a video. Now, when it comes down to the First Premier Bank credit card, the only time I see people even ask about this credit card is because they got an offer in the mail. So if you guys have ever tried my shopping cart trick, I tell you guys to fill out for the pre-screen, opt out, and then also do the factor trust. Oh, it's aired. Let me see. It's airing on my computer, but as soon as you do that, they're going to send you offers in the mail from a lot of credit card companies. One of those credit card companies is always First Premier Bank. Think of them like a Credit One Bank credit card. Compare them to like Credit One Bank. Only thing is, this credit card has more fees. So I've seen some people have a $49 annual fee where they have to pay $100 up front to even start with them. So I don't suggest this credit card to anybody. I think of this credit card like Credit One Bank. Sometimes I've seen people get approved for, $400, $500 for this credit card. But if you're looking to get a credit card, honestly, look into just trying to get pre-approved for Capital One, because Capital One, at least you won't have an annual fee, depending on which credit card you get, right? You won't have an annual fee and you can get pre-approved for it for sure. Now, if you was to get an offer in the mail from them, because it's probably how you most likely going to hear about them, you're going to get a hard inquiry when they actually go and check your credit. So let me tell you about this credit card just in case, because this credit card, if some people like, hey, Rickita, I'll pay that fee, I just need a credit card that's not secure, right? Then if you want to get this credit card, understand you are going to have that fee. And they have two different credit cards. They have just their regular MasterCard, and then they have their secured MasterCard, which they call the second chance card. So they don't care about your credit history at all. So if you need to get like a secure credit card and you want to compare it to like a Open Sky credit card, then this would be that credit card here. But they say they have a refundable security deposit and a chance to access a higher limit. So let's read what that is about, because I was looking at just a regular one. So after you've been with them for 13 months, then they'll look into, and your account is in good standing, on time payments, and stand within your limit, then they'll increase your credit limit in 13 months though. Other cards graduate before then. Like I said, Capital One, they'll graduate in 6 months. That's basically what it's doing. Oh, you're only going to get your deposit back when it's closed out. So they'll give you a higher limit. So they'll give you a higher limit on your secure credit card, but they're not going to give you your money back until you close the account out. But if you guys were thinking about getting the Premier Bank, the First Premier Bank credit card, then make sure you guys just keep this all in mind. If you want more benefits, go with credit unions, go with banks. But I just can't with this credit card. I remember when I first started off helping people and we was getting all the offers through a shopping cart trick, and people needed a credit card so bad and I didn't know of other credit cards. So I told them, go ahead and get it. But now I'm smarter, you guys. I don't think that you guys should get this credit card. If you guys want me to tell you about other credit cards, or if you guys want me to make a special type of video, let me know what your problem is in the comments and I'll answer that question for you with the video. But hopefully this video was helpful when it came down to the First Premier Bank credit card. My biggest thing is the fees with this credit card. You're going to be paying yearly on it, and the limit is going to be so low and you don't really have a chance to really grow. So I want you to go with Capital One or go with like Navy Fed. Go with another company and get credit cards. But don't forget, you guys, sign up for my exclusive membership. It's just $1 to start during the 7-day trial, and I'll see you inside the club. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.